I'm gonna introduce you to the guy that actually sing Who Let the Dogs Out.
Really?
His name is Rick Terry.
The creator of Who Let the Dogs Out.
Right here.
Meet. Welcome to Nassau, my brother.
You made Who Let the Dogs Out?
Yes, sir. That was me. I'm one of the 9 people, and I heard your song. Respect. Yo, I want to present you with something. Please, just honor me. You wear that on behalf of Bahaman. We welcome you to Nassau, Bahamas.
Thank you, buddy.
All right. Respect.
Who let the dogs out? Who let them dogs out, chat? Ray?
There you go.
That's Johnny Cake. That's mine.